Okay, what's up, guys? My name is Israel Onodare, aka Baba Chinedu. Welcome to my channel. Actually, I'm a computer scientist, I'm a filmmaker, I'm a comedian, yeah, and I'm an Instagram influencer, and I have over 22,000 followers on Instagram. Cool. So I think I'm good to go. Okay, fine. I'll be sharing a lot of things to you, a lot of secrets about how to grow your Instagram account because I've grew about 4 to 6 accounts to 10,000 followers in a month. So I'll be sharing the secret I used. Fine. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Oh. Okay, so welcome back, guys. I still remain Israel. Okay, so I'll be telling you 3 ways you can grow your Instagram account to 10,000 followers in a month. Okay, fine. You must have been watching a lot of videos on YouTube telling you, okay, you can grow your Instagram account, and those things are not working. But trust me, things I'm gonna tell you today, you're gonna learn about. Like you're gonna learn it because there's the secret a lot of people don't want to share because that is where they make their money. Okay, so fine. There are 3 ways on how to grow your Instagram account. There are major 3 ways. We have sponsored ad, which you all know. I don't need to explain that. Or if you want me to explain how to run a sponsored ad on Instagram, you can drop a comment below so that next time I can upload a video. Okay, fine. So the second one is influencers, using influencers to promote yourself. Fine. You can actually connect with people on Instagram that has large amount of followers and high engagement rate. Fine. But the third one, which I'm going to talk about, is the secret just between me and you. Okay. So the secret I'm going to tell you now is that the fastest way to grow your Instagram account is through Instagram community. What do I mean by community is interaction. Fine. You like, what the fuck is this guy saying? Like interaction, eh? We know interaction now. Talking about interaction, you need to do a lot of work. Not big work anyway, not hard work, but you need to do a lot of smart work. Yeah. So talking about interaction, you need to do a lot of commenting, not just commenting because hey, someone will be like, "What the fuck is this guy saying?" I've been commenting for years now, and things are not working. Now you must have been commenting for a lot of years, but I will tell you secrets on how to drop a smart comment that will attract influencers, followers to your page. Now, this is how it goes. Okay, then let's talk about one thing. You need content, like content of yourself, because if you're a blogger, you need content on your page. Like you need like up to 10 to 5 content on your page. When you have up to 5 to 10 content on your page, then you can push out. So the thing is, you drop a smart comment in the comment section. Okay, I'll be dropping a draft here so you can read through. I want to move it so you can read through and know the kind of comment I'm talking about. It's not just it's not just random comment. It's not by dropping emoji on comment in the comment section. Check it. So you drop a smart comment, and by so doing, it will attract a lot of people to your page. Fine, some people call it self promote. If you don't have money, is that you self promote yourself? Now, okay, now let's be realistic. There are 3 ways to go viral on Instagram. Is that how you create a viral video? Is that how you self promote yourself? Is that how you use an influencer? So the easiest way you can everly do it is by self promoting. I'm telling you this secret now. So the first thing you need to do is you draft an attractive comment, up to 3 to 4 attractive comment. Like, okay, if you're a musician, you can say, okay, my name is this and that. Okay, I've made a lot of videos. Like, mention the kind of videos you make, then tell people to support you. Now, this is a secret. When about 100 people see that comment, you are likely to retain 10 people to your page. That's one of the secrets I'm still coming with. You are likely to retain 10 people to your page out of 100 people. So, automatically, when you drop a comment in on a celebrity post, you are likely to gain 5 to 7 followers per post. I think I'm making sense. Good. You can try that. And then the thing is, you need content, like you need good content on your page. Because if you have good content, this thing might not really work for you. Or it might work at first and those people might follow back. Because I I can't imagine following somebody that said, okay, I'm a musician, I do nice videos. Okay, fine. Checking your page at the first time I see nice video, and the next time you start posting rubbish, I will follow you. So, and that is how it works for everybody too. So you need good content and you need to keep to your lane, like to your niche. Get. So secondly, you need to be fast. What I mean by fast is that you need to stay online and watch fresh posts. Now, let me share this secret to you. When you drop a comment in the first 60 seconds of a post, you drop a comment and you like the post, you are likely to get 5 to 8 followers per that comment. I repeat, if you drop a comment on a fresh post, like a fresh post, in its first 60 seconds before 1 minute, in its first 60 seconds, you are likely to get 7 to 8 followers on that post. This is how it works. A lot of people are on Instagram looking for active people. So when you comment, they see you as an active person, so they follow you because they may likely get a follow back. I think I'm making sense. So when you drop a comment in the first minutes, you are likely to get 7 to 8 followers. Now imagine dropping a comment for about 20 posts. Dropping comment on 20 posts. So it means 7 times 20. I'm not very good at in mathematics anyway, and that should be around maybe 120 something, or yeah, 140. That should be around 140. So it means that if you drop a comment on 20 posts in a day, you will likely get 120. And if you do more, you can actually get 3 to 500. Am I making sense? So if you can get up to 500 followers in a day, then times it by 30. So it means you can even get more than 10,000 followers in a month. Am I making sense? Good. And then another thing I need to tell you is that you don't spam. What do I mean by spamming is that, okay, you see this celebrity post, you drop this comment, bam. You post another thing, you drop the comment again, bam. You will likely get blocked. And once you get banned on Instagram, that might take you weeks to recover. You understand? And Instagram has sanctioned your account and remove it for spamming. So you need to be very careful while doing what I'm telling you. Good. You need to be careful while doing what I'm telling you. Okay, guys. So I've been talking a lot. I think I need water. Okay, let me just finish this. Okay. This is the last thing I'm gonna tell you is that make sure you are dropping posts almost every day to keep your followers, because this is a secret. Once some people follow you and they check through their followers and they see that this person is not actually active, is not posting, they will likely unfollow you in the next 4 or 5 days. They are not fake followers, they are just people with serious mind. They are not fake followers, they are just people with serious mind. They are likely to unfollow you in the next 4 to 5 days. So you need to keep posting on your page good content. Don't just post. I think that made a lot of sense. Okay, is there another thing? Okay. And then, okay, if you get blocked, maybe someone reports you or something. The next thing is just wait for 24 hours to get unblocked. So that I say you should draft up to 5 different drafts, so that you won't just be using one comment. Because if you're using one comment, you will likely get blocked anyway. You get, so drop like 2 to 3 different comments on different posts, so that Instagram will not see you as spamming. With this few points of mine, I think I've been able to convince you and not to convince you that you can gain 10,000 followers in a month if you can really work. Because it requires a lot of work. It is not a rocket science. It is not a magic. And then what I tell you again before I go, don't ever buy followers. Please, I'm begging you. Don't ever think of buying followers. If your friends are growing, if things are working out for them and things are not working out for you, if you try this method and it's not working for you, I will drop my number in the comment section below so that you can contact me and ask me questions. Anyway, I can be doing it for free, but if your case is too high for me, I'm gonna charge you. It's not really expensive anyway. So the thing is, don't ever buy followers. One of the secrets those people don't tell you is that those followers, once they are inactive, they will kill your page. What do I mean? When you have up to 1,000 followers and no one is commenting, you post your first post, no one comment, no one like. or maybe you're having maybe 13 likes or 14 likes on your post, Instagram will keep bringing down your post whenever you post. They don't show it to people again because they see it as a bad post. Now, when people like your post, they comment, okay, they share with friends. Instagram sees a very good post, so they show it to a lot of people. Anyway, maybe by next time when I'm uploading another video, I'm gonna talk about that a lot. I'll talk about those things a lot. So the thing is, drop your comment. Let me know your review. Let me know if this thing is working for you. If you've tried it and it's working for you, or it worked for you, in the comment section below. And if you need any assistance, you can drop a comment section below. I'll be in the comment section. I will read everything. I will respond. Okay, so I'm C Babachino. Please kindly subscribe to this channel and share with friends. See you next time. Anytime. I'm uploading anytime. Bye bye.